Mhm. That's a big motherfucker, man.
What an attack.
Where these motherfuckers come from, bro? How you doing?